And it turns around for a bantamweight. Would be this would be the end of the fight. Going for the goal, Judy Maraon, body shot. Outlet goes being delivered by Judy Maraon. He's trying to go for the kick.
Finish him.
Matapos masungkit ang WBO Asia Pacific Bantamweight title na pinagbibidahan ng Pinoy na si Judy Maraon or may alias Pretty Boy, ay makalipas nga lang 3 buwan ay muling dedepensa na nasabing titulo sa isang hambog na African fighter na nagngangalang Anthony Matias. At sa nangyaring laban nga ay nagyabang muna ang kalabang Aprikano sa Pinoy na baliwala lang daw ang suntok nito. Ngunit sa laban ay ilang beses pong pinabagsak ang kalaban. Bago pa nga ang laban nila ay may baon na kartada ang Aprikanong si Anthony Matias na 25 wins, 8 losses, 1 draw with 20 knockouts. Samantalang Pinoy ay may baon dito na 13 wins, 0 loss with 10 knockouts. Ginanap ang laban sa Medina Gymnasium, Barangay Maningkol o Sami City. Kaya't balikan natin mga idol kung paano tinuruan ng leksyon ng hambog na Aprikano na hindi pa nga tanggap ang pagkatalo nito. Pero bago ang lahat, kung maaari po sana ay pakipindot ng like at subscribe button para kasama ka sa panonood ng mga boxing highlights.
Of a crushing third round knockout against Manny Pacquiao. Mas grabe pa yung nangyari doon.
Look at that!
Higuera going for the kill. Another left by Judy Maraon and medyo nadulas doon. Bumabalik yung African, ha?
Oh, yes,
Bumabalik si, and that's the right thing to do. Hindi siya nanggigigil. Showing maturity. Another left by Judy Maraon.
That malakas na
And Matias is dazed. Body shot by Maraon. Another left by yung action. And Matias missing in left, or rather right.
Nagulat actually yung Aprikano doon sa
1 minute of this third round night. Judy Maraon defending his regional Pretty Boy. Pretty much by Matias. Left jab. And kung nakaka-recover na nga yung and the rail and the attempt of Maraon to connect that left, but he again connects with the strong left combination, body shot. Everything being thrown now by Judy. Yes, is the boxer in black.
courtesy of that straight. Oh, good.
Malapad at matangkad si Maraon for a bantamweight. Exactly what he did in the first round when he scored that knockdown. That's what. Oh, that was it. Combination by Maraon.
Binabantayan na ni Matias ngayon yung kaliwa ni Judy Maraon.
Pero nakakalusot kung bababa pa rin yung super flyweight.
Oh, Kevin Staggers, African, the Tanzanian once again.
Bumabalik pa rin si Matias.
Oh, another left to the head.
Could be the end of it. There again. And we're under 1 minute in this.
It could be a short night.
Bumabalik pa rin. No? Kumakaunter pa rin si... This was Maraon in red. Anthony Matias in black. Courtesy of that kind of left. Matias to sword. Maraon showing his physical power.
Yes. Good left there, but
Meron ng konting bending footwork.
left there by Judy Maraon. Oh, kumama ni Matias. Kumama ni Jab.
Dalawa. Body shot by Maraon.
Oh, good left.
Oh, another left. Could be. This could be the end of the fight. Going for the kill. Judy Maraon, body shot. Countless goes being delivered by Judy Maraon. He's trying to go for the kill. And Matias hanging on. Good life. Combination by Maraon. Maraon sensing that this is the right moment for him. His best chance to score another stoppage. This is the same round that he stopped Jason Persons. Oh! That could
There's
be
another left.
Uy, pero tumayo pa rin. That could
There's
be
another left.
Uy, pero tumayo pa rin si Matias. Has been floored in this fight.
A good left. Lumapang na, pagtayo. Sasayaw-sayaw pa. But I think it's just a matter of time.
Because
Good left. Good side sa Maraon.
when it comes to skills, power, pero minsan talaga kapag ka-fighters ni Matias, that left straight of Jundi Maran. There's his last 3 fights.
Tama yung
Yung kaliwa. So yun na lang muna.
Sabi ko, nice point across.
Kaya ito na. And hurt. Titan Zaynin.
Again.
Pero nandun pa rin.
How that can say?
Parang gloves, ha?
Tibay gloves made in Cebu. And this is the first time out to be a second week.
That stake is still round 5, and that's the end of this. And the Tanzanian fighter
3 knockdowns have been scored in this fight. Jundi Maraon.
managed in the first, second, and third rounds. Jundi Maran is title at stake. Third round stoppage of there's a jab again, but with the right to the body. Masyado matibay itong Tanzanian. Combination by
Sumakot na yung long ng tansya niya.
there's
Oh, good. Oh, good right there. Kay Matthias. Hindi pa rin pwede makumpiyansa yung Maraon dito.
tumatama pa rin yung kanan ni Matthias. Before that, he connected the right straight. Maran still the patience of Maran being tested here. And Barun. Oh,
That's very good.
Jundi Maran.
Again, let me express my admiration to the Matthias. 3 knockdowns in 6 rounds. And he's still up there. Exchanging.
Countless left of this fight.
Good right.
Jab. Kahit papat ni Jundi Maran.
Good.
Despite those 3 knockdowns he scored, each and 8 knockdowns he scored, each and the rest of the rounds.
Another knockdown.
Pero tayo agad. But this time,
I think he's hurt.
oh,
I think he's hurt. There are no more done.
there again, at left of Jundi Maran, specialty of the house. More lefts, and
It's all
that's
over.
it.
It's all over. It's all over.
That's the right thing to do.
Oh, yes. Oh, yes.
It's only a matter of time and mahayaan pa magkaroon ng serious damage.
Yeah. After 4 knockdowns, he has had enough. He has had enough.
And even the cornerman of Matthias agreeing to the decision of Tony Pesons to stop the fight. But overall, it's still a great fight to watch. And I'm sure
Maraming salamat mga idol dahil hanggang dulo ay nanonood pa rin po kayo. God bless you mga idol.